Okay, today we're going to talk about port scanning. Now, how port scanning works is a port scanner goes through and checks every single port, does kind of like a ping test, but a little bit different. If it gets a response back, it comes back as a positive response. Now, Microsoft here has a list of well-known ports. It's not all of them, there's several thousand different ports, but these are some of the more common ones. You've got FTP at 20 and 21, you got Telnet at 23, SMTP for email at 25. If you're going down, you got HTTP at port 80, and you go a little further down, you've got HTTPS at 443. And like I said, if you keep going down, there's a bunch of different ones as well. When it comes to actually scanning, I got some IP scanners that I use. This one's an Angry IP scanner. How it works is you put in the IP range you want to check, and it goes through and checks that entire range. If it doesn't get a ping response, it comes up red. If it does, it comes up blue. It gives you some additional fields like the ping, the host name if it finds it, some ports, and you can also add different additional features such as MAC address. Another one I use here is the Advanced IP scanner. This one's a little bit better. From my experience, it does seem to find a few more items than the Angry IP does. But this one, by default, it comes up with status, name, IP, manufacturer, and the MAC address. You can also set to actually look for the ports. If it finds the ports, it'll show it over here on the right side. So when it comes to actually port checking, there's a program I use here I found is called a Free Port Scanner. The way this one works is you put in the IP address that you want to check. This is one of the laptops on my network. You can see here the list of the TCP ports it checks for. You do a scan, runs through all the ports, and if it doesn't get a response, it does an X. If it does, it comes up green, shows you open. Then over here on the side it has the port name and a brief description of it. So that is a rundown of port scanning.